For best result, it is important to carefully follow all usage and maintenance instructions in the product leaflet. Mederma Silicone Scar Sheets can be used on hypertrophic and keloid scars following injuries, burns, and surgery. Softens and visibly improves the appearance of scars in just 4 weeks. Breathable silicone technology results in increased hydration of the skin, ensures that the damaged, scarred skin recovers more quickly. Relieves the skin's natural tension, and helps existing scars become thinner, less red and more flexible. Every Mederma Silicone Scar Sheet is self-adhesive, washable and durable for us to 21 days with proper care. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent. These scar sheets work as advertised. They are exactly as pictured.